Rainforest of the Austrians. It started in 1992. In 1994, we opened the lodge and was made with donations from the government of Austria. And the idea is to make a development aid project that can help the community from stopping them from logging and hunting in the forest, and so protect the rainforest and offer them an alternative of development.
Visita Esquinas Lodge, que sé que te va a gustar. Visita Esquinas Lodge, que sé que te va a gustar. Esquinas Lodge, Esquinas Lodge, Esquinas Lodge.
Esquinas Rainforest Lodge is located in the community of La Gamba, which is next to the Piedras Blancas National Park. It's the newest park in Costa Rica and the most remote, I can say. And we are 45 kilometers away from the port town of Golfito, which is in the South Pacific of Costa Rica. Here at Esquinas Rainforest Lodge, we offer different tours, starting with hikes in the rainforest. Then we have horseback riding tours to nice waterfalls, kayak tours in the Golfo Dulce area. And then we have boat tours to the mangroves of Rio Coto and to a beautiful botanical garden along the coast. It's very nice.